Hi guys, it's me Hania and welcome back to Two Cool Sisters. So in today's video, we're gonna discuss about why we sneezed. Have you ever wondered why you sneezed, or that moment you sneezed you thought, hey, why did I sneeze? Well, today we're gonna discuss the reasons on why we sneeze. But don't forget to stay till the end because we're gonna be discussing some facts. So without further ado, let's go. So guys, before we start this video, I just want to tell you guys that you should be very careful and let's learn the right way to sneeze. Because of coronavirus, you know that people are really struggling right now. So what we can do to help is try to follow the rules. So the right way to sneeze is use a tissue when sneezing and don't forget to wash your hands after you sneeze. Cover your mouth with your elbow if you don't have a tissue. It is bad to sneeze and cough towards others and don't cover your mouth with bare hands. So let's discuss the few questions about sneezing. So the first question is, what is a sneeze? Have you ever heard a person sneeze? You know that like achoo sound. A sneeze occurs when your nose feels ticklish. So the second question is, why do we sneeze? Sneezing is a mechanism your body uses to clear the nose. When foreign matter such as dirt, pollen, smoke, or dust enters your nostrils, the nose may become irritated or tickled. When this happens, your body does what it needs to do to clear the nose and it causes a sneeze. When we breathe in foreign particles, sensors in our noses and sinews detect the objects that sensors the signal in the cilia. Tiny hair-like paddles that line our nostrils and sinuses move to expel the irritants. So why do we close our eyes before we sneeze or while sneezing? The sneeze reflex triggers the body to contract muscles all over from the eyelid to the sphincter. This occurs is a mystery. However, it could be because of how the nervous system is wired. One possibility is that the body associates protecting the nasal passages with protecting the eyes. In fact, 1 in 4 people sneeze in the sunshine. Why do some people sneeze loudly? From a delicate sniffle to an elephantic roar, sneezes come in many shapes and sizes. The reason comes down to the difference in autonomy and self-control. One survey found out that 45% of the people say that public sneezes differ from their private ones, according to a representative from the allergy drug Bedram. The next question is, why do some people sneeze more than once? Some people's sneezes seem to naturally come in 2s, 3s, or longer sets. These paroxysmal may suffer from allergies. Researchers say in rare cases, epilepsy patients may have sneezing fits. Most of the time, through a series of sneezes comes from a personal tic or an attempt to get rid of the body or specks of dust. The next question is sneezing good or bad for you? Sneezing helps keep your body safe. Sneezing is an important part of your immune process, helping to keep us healthy and sniffle-free. Kayo says, sneezes protect your body by clearing the nose of bacteria and viruses. The next question is, does your heart stop when you sneeze? Now, if you haven't watched my sister's video, you should definitely go check it out. It's facts about the human body. She mentioned in that video, when you sneeze, your heart stops. But that doesn't mean forever. Let's discuss a little more about this topic. When you sneeze, the erythrotic pressure in your body momentarily increases. This will decrease the blood flow back to the heart. The heart compensates for this, changing its regular heartbeat momentarily to adjust. However, the electrical activity of the heart does not stop during the sneeze. And that means it obviously is working still, but stops just for... Wait, I can't tell you. You'll have to watch the facts. What are different ways of saying something after someone has sneezed or you have sneezed? Now, if you didn't know, some people say different things after they have sneezed. Let me just give you 2 examples. Bless you and Alhamdulillah. Now, people have different cultures, so we're going to discuss what they mean and why do they say these. So for some people say bless you when you sneeze because your heart stops for a millisecond. Now Muslims say that during the sneeze, the heart stands still for a moment. That's why we must say Alhamdulillah to thank Allah for letting our heart beat again after sneezing. So now we're going to discuss that why some people sneeze and what are the reasons behind them sneezing, because not all people sneeze just once a day. Number 1, allergies. Allergies are an extremely common condition caused by your body's response to foreign organisms under normal circumstances. Your body's immune system protects you from harmful invaders such as disease-causing bacteria. As if you may know that if your immune system is strong, you can even fight against COVID-19. Allergies can cause you to sneeze when your body tries to expel these organisms. The reason number 2 is infections. Infections caused by viruses such as the common cold and flu can also make you sneeze. There are more than 200 different viruses that can cause the common cold. However, most colds are the result of rhinovirus. Also, one of them was included in coronavirus. Sun sneezing. Sounds strange, doesn't it? Well, let me explain a little more. Reflective sneezing, including by the light and sunlight, is particular and estimated to occur in 18 to 35% of the population and is known as the photic sneeze reflex, also known as PSR, or the ACHU, autosomal dominant compulsive helioophthalmic outburst of sneezing syndrome. It's facts time! Fact number 1. Once a sneeze starts, you can't stop it. Fact number 2. The force of a sneeze can change the rhythm of your heartbeat. But don't worry, your heart does not stop forever. Fact number 3. A single sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. Fact number 4. A sneeze has over 40,000 droplets. Fact number 5. A sneeze has a spray radius up to 5 feet. Whoa, that's a lot. Fact number 6, and the most amazing fact I've ever seen. You don't sneeze when you're asleep because the nerves that trigger a sneeze are also sleeping. Cool, right? It's quiz time! Question number 1. What causes a sneeze? The answer is, if something like pollen or dust enters your nose, you feel ticklish, then a sneeze occurs. Now, if you have a similar answer, that's also fine. You don't have to have the exact answer as me. Question number 2. What is the spray radius of a sneeze? The answer is 5 feet. Question number 3. What is the sun sneeze allergy's scientific name? Now, I mentioned it a little while ago, and if you don't know what that means, it means that some people, when they look at the sun, they sneeze. Strange, right? But do you know its scientific name? The answer is the photic sneeze reflex, also known as the PSR. Question number 4. How many miles per hour, also known as mph, can a sneeze travel? The answer is 100 miles per hour. So guys, how many questions did you get right? Don't forget to tell us in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Please like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And bye!